Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Khoza has recently had a very public and sad meltdown where a series of shocking videos of him having a breakdown and fighting an old man were shared on the internet. And in all of those videos, he looked very much intoxicated and allegedly under the influence of drugs and alcohol. His ex fiance, Mandy Hlongwane, has finally broken the ice about SK, and she went to her Instagram and shared cryptic quotes that left many surprised and shocked. Here's what she wrote. Toxic people will not be changed by the alchemy of your kindness. Yes, be kind, but move on swiftly and let life be their educator. Don't let anybody make you feel crazy because you have figured them out. She also went in to share this. Growth is all about improving, not about proving. This is the first time that Mandy has publicly spoken out about SK since she opened a case of assault against the actor last year, October. Now, you guys do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.